let's make beignets for my family because I don't think they can wait any longer. All right, I made this dough last night and put it in the fridge.
Okay.
And then I took it out maybe like an hour ago so it could kind of come to room temperature. It still feels cold, but it's fine. They'll be great. Actually, I'm gonna cut this in half. I'm actually gonna divide this dough in half because otherwise it's a lot to work with because we roll it out pretty thin. And I also have my deep fryer plugged in and heated up. If you don't have a deep fryer, you could just heat up like vegetable oil on your stove in a pot. All right, it doesn't look perfect. Here, I'm gonna cut out a thing and then you can cut this into squares, okay? All right, so you're gonna cut this into some squares.
Yeah.
You can kind of make them as big or small as you want. I was trying to record on the TikTok app and it kept like deleting my video. You guys can eat more beignets. I have more coming. Lots more coming. TikTok is not being kind to me. It's not saving my videos in the app. So I'm not sure what actually got recorded. But you roll out your dough kind of as thin as it'll go, honestly. And then from here, I know this is like very odd shape, but I just cut it into squares, basically. Or squares, rectangles, triangles, anything will do. Pull out this batch. But I do, depending on the size of them, I do like 5 or 6. Put them down, and then pretty quickly you're gonna see them like rise up to the top of the oil. Meanwhile, I'm going to put some of these in powdered sugar, because that's how we like to eat them.
Sugar really good.
Yeah.
So it's like all sugary.
They come out like this. Or like
I wish I could
airy and poofy and literally the best donuts you'll ever
I
eat.
wish I could have that one. I wish.
You have one right in front of you. You can see that they're all starting to poof up. I'll give it a little bit longer and then I'll use my fork and flip them over. These are so good. This is my favorite part of Thanksgiving. We do this a few other times a year too. Sometimes my kids request these on birthdays or other holidays, or we've done them camping before. I think I've showed this several times on my page. Then we'll let them cook for a few seconds on this side and we'll take them out. You want to show? That one's very hollow. This is like a New Orleans delicacy, I guess. Never been to New Orleans, but my dad made these for us when we were little. All right, we're gonna dump them out. Put in a new batch.
I'll put 5 in the bag.
I'm gonna wait because my kids kind of disappeared, and these are like the best fresh. Ooh, these are hot. I forgot that there's still some in here. You can shake it. Now shake it up. There they are. So good. I love doing this Thanksgiving morning because my kids just eat as many of these as they want, and then it holds us over for Thanksgiving dinner. Except for all the kids disappeared right now. I gotta go find them. But yeah, that's how we make beignets.
Minis. I
So
call
good.
them minis.